Okay, the president has come out to react to the killings in Delta State. Even Atiku and Sowore, they also come out to make their own speech as regards what happened. But they said what Tinubu is saying is not the way forward. By him, giving the go ahead for the military men to do whatever they want, which can lead to loss of life, in Delta State. So what can you say to this?
Okay, let me say this. Let me ask a vital question. I want to ask the government vital question. When the soldiers killed with the civilians, bombed us mistakenly, what did they say? They came out to tell us it was a mistake. Did you crucify them? Did you criticize them? Did you carry them to court? Did you sue them? Nothing happened. Tinubu should have a rethink. Now, they killed military, knowing fully well that the people that killed him are not even from the village. They are sponsored by politicians. Even Tinubu knows that. Then why harass innocent citizens of the village? Why you going to harass them? What kind of nonsense is that? That is what I keep saying in this country. That we don't get things right in this country. Or it is wrong. Tinubu's act is what I call wrong attitude. And nobody does that. And nobody will ever do that. And nobody will ever accept that. That's the truth. Nobody will ever accept that. So what I'm trying to say, Tinubu is saying that he's giving a marching order to them that they should go and attack the villagers. To me, is wrong. It's wrong. And it's stupid. In the air. How could you just, assuming it's a Yoruba state that did that, are you going to attack, are you going to tell the military to invade here? The answer will be no. Assuming it's Ondo state, are you going to tell the military to invade? No, because it happened in Edo state. And it is South East or Delta. You know how to take decision. So to me, I think the people should go and advise Tinubu well.
But Tinubu is also saying that his government will not rest until there's peace in the country.
See, if you know you are very smart as a president, why not set up investigative panels? Pick those guys that committed this crime. He knows them. Tinubu knows them. These guys are sponsored by his political enemies. He knows them. So why harass innocent citizens? What kind of rubbish is that? I don't tolerate rubbish. My name is MC Grammar. I speak for the masses. And I don't care. Whether you talk or not, we are going to die. We all will die one day. So let us say the truth and live. That is what I believe. No, the 15 guys that died. This is not the first time you have been killing civilians. Your police have been mistakenly killing civilians. We gone, nobody talks. Your army bombed civilians, we gone. Nobody talks. Now some set of people killed your so-called army. You are now coming to link you to a village, and you fully know very well that they did not kill him, that it was sponsored by your political enemies. What are we talking? If you, Tinubu, has done things, if you have put things in order, will all these things happen? It will not happen, because you refuse to put things in order. That is why everything is happening. Now, old brain, as old as Tinubu is using old brain instead of you to use matured mind to follow this. Why you want to talk in this country? One stupid idiot at the corner will tell you that DSS will carry you. Who is DSS? There are people that you can threaten, not people like me. Because I come from around this world. The people that knows around this world will tell you. Spiritually we are fortified. What's my business about you? Your own is too much. I will use it on you. I don't care. So, but Nigerians should learn this. I speak for the masses. I don't speak because I want to speak English. English is never my language. It's a borrowed language. I would have even loved to speak my dialect. But because Nigeria, everybody has to understand me. That's why I'm speaking in English. Left to me, I will flow in Igbo. But what I'm trying to tell you is this. I'm not here to speak English language to you, to dramatize my ability in English. No. But I'm here to correct something, that this nonsense that the government is doing is enough. We cannot continue to tolerate it. You killed our civilians with bombs. and you came out to tell us you are sorry. You are sorry. We did not kill you. You killed our civilians mistakenly with your guns from police bullets. You tell us it was a mistake. We did not kill you. Now they killed your military. You are saying they should bomb or destroy that village. It's a barbaric act. That's how it sits. Tinubu should checkmate his brain. What's wrong with you? Where is your intelligence? We talk about intelligence in this country. Where is your intelligence? Why did you keep it? I'm a graduate of business administration. Let me talk to these people. That's the truth. Because sometimes you get to talk to them. Like I keep telling you, I fear no man, but I can only respect you. But in a situation, you refuse to take that respect, I would downgrade you. That is MC grammar for you. So this country, we need to fix things right. We need to make things right.